In this video, I'm going to share my screen and show you a step-by-step tutorial, one step after another, that you can simply follow to create your first YouTube channel. So if you want to have your YouTube channel ready by the end of this video, simply open your computer and follow along. And without any delay, we are going to get started. But before we get started, the first thing we need in order to get started is a Google account. A Google account meaning Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, great, we can just get started. If you don't have a Gmail account, simply go to gmail.com and create your Gmail account, and then we can follow along. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen so we can get started. Okay, right now I am in the homepage of YouTube. If you have your Gmail account created when you go to youtube.com, you are going to land on this page. It might be empty depending on whether you ever search on YouTube or not, but we are going to land on this page. And right here, when you click on this little logo, you are going to see your name, your email, and other settings. If this is your first channel and you have never created any YouTube channel, you are going to have a button, create a channel. But if you already have some channels on your account, instead of create a channel, you are going to see view your channel. And so we are going to not use this button because it can change depending on whether you have a channel or not. Instead, what we are going to do is we are going to scroll down. Right here, we are going to click on settings. And right here, your YouTube channel, you see under account, your YouTube channel, your channel, and we have create channel. If you have other channels, you are going to see them here. But since we don't have any channel, we are simply going to click on create a channel. Okay, this is where you are going to choose your channel logo. This can be your picture, it can be a logo of a business, it can be anything. I'm simply going to add my own picture as my YouTube profile image, and you can click on select picture, and not illustration, we can come to from computer, and you can click upload from your computer, and you will be able to find an image on your computer and upload. Okay, I'm going to use this picture, so I'm clicking on it and click on open to upload it. Okay, the image has been uploaded. We can change its size. You see, when you come to this corner, you can click and drag and adjust its size if you want to, but the image is exactly at the right size, so I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, now our profile picture has been added. The next thing we will do is I'm going to choose a name for my channel, for my YouTube channel. Whatever name you write here is the name that people are going to see on your channel. I am simply going to do something like this, just because it's a dummy channel, and this is a YouTube handle. What this means is when people search for your channel, this is the handle they are going to use. For example, when I go to youtube.com/@ Sadiq Umar, you see this handle, this @Sadiq Umar NIG, this is my current YouTube channel handle, and when I click on it, I'm going to go to my YouTube channel. So this is what a YouTube handle is. You see, we land on my YouTube channel, and this is what a handle is. So you are going to choose your YouTube handle, and I'm going to choose a YouTube handle of something like, this is already chosen, so maybe I'm just going to say, okay, this is going to be my handle. You can choose your own YouTube handle, and as soon as you have this, you can simply click on create channel. Okay, now our YouTube channel has been created, but we are going to make some changes and customize things. A good example is if you come to my YouTube channel, my main YouTube channel right here. Let's open it and take a look. You see, we have a channel banner, we have our profile image, and we have some about information here. When you click, this is our about information and everything. So we are going to set this up also, and we can do that by coming to our profile icon. You click on it, and we go to YouTube Studio. Click continue. Just X to remove everything, and we are going to scroll right here in this left sidebar. We can scroll down to customization, and we click on it. This is where we are going to add a channel banner. and we can simply upload a channel banner. You see, this is a recommended size that you shall use to create your channel banner. You can simply go to canva.com. If you go to canva.com, you can simply find many templates that you can customize and create your channel banner. And when you have your channel banner, make sure it is less than 6 megabytes, and you can click upload, and you can find it and upload it. Okay, I'm just going to use this one. Click open to upload. So you see, this is what is going to be visible on a mobile phone device. When you hover over this, this is what is going to be visible on a computer screen. And if you are happy with it, you simply click on done. And now we have our channel banner, and we already added our channel profile picture right here. This is our channel name, and this is our channel handle. This is where we are going to write our channel description, and I'm just going to add some sample description. Okay, you go ahead and write your description, and this is your channel link. It's kind of like your channel handle. It does the same thing. When you give people this link, they are going to be on your channel. The same thing with your channel handle, but this is not something you can memorize, so nobody really use this. And this links is where you are going to add either links to your website or your social handles. When you click on add link, you can maybe say visit my website if you have a website, and you can write your website URL right here, or visit my Instagram or something like this, and you add the link. That is all you need to do. And email address, this is where you are going to write the email that you want people to see on your channel. When people go to your about information, when they scroll down, they can see your email address, and the email that you added here is the email that they are going to see. And the next thing is watermark, video watermark. When someone is watching your video, they are going to see something. Let me open one of my videos right here. Okay, let's skip the ad first. So you see, when the video is running, we have this button that when people hover over it, they can click the subscribe button to subscribe to the channel. You can either have your channel logo here, whatever image you want to have, you add it right here. I simply added this subscribe image, so which is what many people do also, and you can choose whatever you want to add. This is not required, you can leave it empty, but it might be useful to add. When you add it, you click on publish to publish and make your changes live. The next thing we are going to do after we make these changes live is take a look at our home tab. When you come to the channel right here, this is my channel home, and you see we have our channel members, we have our most recent upload, and this is a single playlist, this is another playlist. And when people come to videos, this is where they are going to see all our videos. And so this home tab is what we are going to customize right now. And when you click on home tab, you come here, you can add sections. We cannot add sections right now because we don't have any content published on the channel. But if you create playlist and you publish some videos, you can, this is all videos, all your videos are going to be visible here. And short, if you publish short, they are going to be visible next below the most recent videos. And if you have live streams and your playlist. But this is not going to be possible since we haven't published any videos. But when you publish some videos, this is where you are going to make these changes and arrange your home page the way you want it to look. And when you finish, you save your changes, we can click view our channel to see how our channel looks. Or maybe not even view our channel. I'm going to copy the channel handle so that we can take a look. And I will come to YouTube. And we are going to do slash, then we add at. This is our channel URL. When someone visits this, they are going to land on your channel homepage, and I'm going to click enter so we can take a look. Okay, great. This is how our channel, our new channel is looking at the moment. We don't have any content, so everything looks empty. And if we close this tab, we close this tab, and we simply come back to dashboard. we can click here to view our channel without even using the channel URL, and we are going to land on the same page. You see our channel name, our URL. This is our about information. When people click, they can read it here, and any link that we have added. So this is how you can create a brand new YouTube channel using just your Gmail account. And if you have any question in the process, if you want to learn anything else, you can simply post it in the comment section, and I'm going to do my best to respond. Next, you can watch this video to learn what I believe is the most important thing you shall focus on as soon as you publish your new YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next one.